dedication, hard work all the time, and belief. If you don't believe you are the best, then you will never achieve all that you are capable of. In my mind, not just this year, always, I am always the best. And I am always going to say that. I feel endless need to learn, to improve, to evolve, not only to please the coach and the fans, but also to feel satisfied with myself. I'm living a dream I never want to wake up from. I see football as an art and all players are artists. If you are a top artist, the last thing you would do is paint a picture somebody else has already painted. We don't want to tell our dreams. We want to show them. Talent isn't everything. You can have it from the cradle, but it is necessary to learn the trade to be the best. The best players always follow the best players. The most important thing is the family. Keep your family healthy, good, and take care of your family, because this is the most important thing in the world. Stay strong. Be brave. Go beyond. Talent without working hard is nothing. I'm not going to change the world. You're not going to change the world. But we can help. We can all help. It is my conviction that here are no limits to learning, and that it can never stop, no matter what our age. Dreams are not what you see in your sleep, they are the things that don't let you sleep. Scoring goals is a great feeling, but the most important thing to me is that the team is successful. It doesn't matter who scores the goals as long as we are winning. If you think you're perfect already, then you never will be. Your love makes me strong. Your hate makes me unstoppable. Today there are opportunities that no one knows if they will come round again in the future. You need to think big. I always believe that nobody is better than me, out on the pitch at least. Don't let small obstacles be in the way of being victorious. Remember, you are stronger than the challenges you face. I've never tried to hide the fact that it is my intention to become the best. We should make the most of life, enjoy it because that's the way it is. I don't mind people hating me because it pushes me. I'm not a perfectionist, but I like to feel that things are done well. It gives me the happiest feeling in the world. I just love scoring. It doesn't matter if it's a simple goal from close range, a long shot or a dribble around several players. I just love to score all goals. When I win awards, I think of my father.